What's up guys, just got off school, and thank you guys for all the support on the last video, the little vlog video. That was actually did a lot more better than I expected. But anyways, today in the last video, you guys probably saw that I was talking about my front lip and how the front lip is like, you're just gone. I kind of flew from the highway. But in this video, I got a new front lip and we're gonna just put it on. I'm such a pussy, dude. Anyways, we're gonna head home and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. How much you guys wanna bet if I air up right now, it's gonna break his neck? What the fuck? Every single time, bro.
You just got here?
Yeah, no, I'm about to leave.
Oh, snap. You might go about to leave too.
Hello.
You recording right now?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another freaking.
Hey, have a good one.
Yeah. Later, bro.
Later. Damn, I was wrong. He don't care. Me? I'm running this light. I'm gonna fuck. I'm running this light. I'm running this light. I'm running this light. So here it is, guys. A cheap $100 front lip. In my opinion, probably one of the best you can get, especially since it is one piece. It comes with, what is this? It comes with 3M tape, and it also comes with some hardware. I might use this for the time being, but I know in the eventually I'm gonna switch to nuts and bolts just because I don't want this falling off of me anytime soon. Putting the tray so I could hide my drugs that I sell. I mean, you know, it's good for the time being. Better than without it. Still pretty nice. Very uneven, but it's okay. Oh shit. I hate my life. What the fuck is this?
Like this side looks good.
Tomorrow we'll do nuts and bolts, you know? Buy from eBay, guys. It's good. Hello everybody. So everybody, so we got the front lip in. It is the next day. Today we're actually going to do like nuts and bolts instead of screws, because right now we just screwed in the front lip to my bumper with screws and a drill. So instead of just that, we're actually gonna do nuts and bolts and maybe washers, so the front lip never falls off again, because I really don't want this to fall off. I might do some modifying to it just a little bit because the fitment's kind of off, so we'll see that. But we're going to school right now, and then we're gonna do it after we come back from school. Okay, done with class, and look what happened again. This always happens to me. My front bumper always comes off. But I guess for now I'm just gonna pop this back in, and then we're gonna head home. Maybe go to Home Depot, grab some nuts and bolts, and fix this front lip. I mean, it looks okay to the point where like this part right here is very flush with that little like corner, and then you come to this side right here and it's a little more in. So I don't know, we might do some cutting, we might do some little shaving here and there, but we'll see what we can do to make this fit. But we're for sure doing nuts and bolts so it doesn't fall off on me ever again. Home Depot, everybody. Trying to find some bolts right now. Oh shit. I pretty much went with the 1/4 by 1 inch, whatever this is, little bolt, and then I went with the 1/4 inch nuts as well. I went the longer one instead of the shorter one, only because I don't want to be too short, I'd rather be longer than shorter, so probably gonna do that instead. So I want this one instead. Grab some washers just in case too. Alright guys, so yeah, literally like $5 to make sure your front lip never falls off again. Usually with screws tend to rust up over time, and they kind of just, I don't know, I don't think they're secure enough. So basically $5-6 is gonna get you a bunch of nuts, bolts, and washers, and your front lip will never fall off again. So guys, nut and bolt here, we're gonna stick it in. Don't be nasty.
This ain't going nowhere.
This ain't going nowhere. Alright guys, what it looks like from the back here. So we just got a nut, washer, and bolt kind of holding it all in. And then from underneath, nice and clean. Nice and clean. No way we actually made this work. So pretty much this side fits, but then this other side here didn't. So what we kind of had to do is you can kind of see what we kind of had to do. We cut off this barter so it doesn't like wrap all the way around, and we actually have to drill from the inside of the bumper into the lip. But honestly, from the side, who's gonna notice as long as it looks good from the front? And the fitment is actually like crazy with the nuts and bolts compared to everything. Like, this is staying on. If I were to hit like something on the freeway, the whole bumper would just fly off. Looks super good. Oh, I'm happy. That took way longer than I thought. But like I said, we got this little gap right here, but who's really gonna pay attention to that? There's that gap there, looks like that. Then we come over here, and then it obviously wraps around the whole backside. But obviously, like I said, who's gonna pay attention that close to it? You see, even on both sides and not uneven like it was before. Alright, so you guys have basically seen the cinematics, and if you're wondering why maybe in my next video I'm wearing the same outfit, it's because I'm pretty much recording the ending for 2 videos today, because it's a nice day. I got the parking lot to myself, so I'm doing exactly that. But yeah, so obviously I'm gonna apologize for the wind again, but we got the front lip here, and well, you guys see what I did to it already. Like I said, this side, again, I'm saying it again, we got fitment issues on this side, but it doesn't really matter. Like I said, really, who's gonna pay attention besides you guys who know what I did? But this side is perfectly phenomenal, and the car just looks so much better than without a front lip. Obviously, I said it many times that before this, the WRX with just the stock front lip is so ugly. It looks so high. So most definitely a necessity for the WRX is for sure to get a front lip. I personally prefer if you get a 1-piece front lip, because the 3-piece front lips for the WRX are very, very finicky and weird. Anyways, the car looks super, super good. This is probably my favorite front lip that I've ever gotten. Just look at it. It looks so good. We got the kind of unpaint matched black, but I think that really stands out because my tires are black, and my tires are shiny as well, and it really adds for the adds the ambiance to the front end of the car. So it looks super, super good. Anyways, I'm gonna apologize for the wind, but anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, had a lot of fun doing the front lip of the car. I'm not showing the rear end of the car because that is the next video. So if you guys see me in the next video wearing the exact same outfit and all that stuff, it's because I'm ending the next video today. Yeah, I'm basically ending both videos in the same day because I'm taking advantage of the parking garage being empty, and I think it looks really nice today with all the clouds and everything. So, but I'm gonna come over here instead. Anyways, front end of the car looks super good. We need some new headlights though, because my old ones broke, so we're running the stock ones before, if you guys didn't know. But anyway, so if you guys enjoyed the video, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for all the support. We are like growing like super, super rapidly, and you know, thank you guys. I really enjoy making these videos. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.